Boom! 30 seconds is all you need to make $6, and you can repeat this over and over and over again. Let's set the timer at 30 seconds right now and let's get started. Now all you have to do is just click on the green button right here and draw around on the picture right here at the center. And you can see here, I just paint the line right there on top of the image. So right now I just click on the red button and draw it around the background to remove the background, so it's actually very simple. I can literally do this in 30 seconds and boom, you just earned $6. Look how simple it is. Anyone can do this with just a smartphone or a computer for free. No investment is needed, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. But here's the warning. If you don't watch this full video all the way until the end, you might not fully understand the entire strategy, and you might eventually fail to make any money, which I truly don't wish to happen. So it is very important for you to watch all the way until the very end to get all of the details, get the exact steps, real examples, and bonus tip to earn even more money faster. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, now I'll show you a couple of websites on this video. Now the first one I'll show you is People Per Hour. You can go to peopleperhour.com. Now I know some of you guys actually heard of this website before, but I promise you this is something new, and no other people are talking about this. And once again, this is available worldwide. From there, all you have to do is click on the search button and click on the search offers, and from there you're going to be taken over to this page. And I want you to type in the keyword, which is background removal, and click on the search button. By doing that, you're able to find different services provided by other people regarding background removal. And there's so many people from different countries in the world. They're offering these services, and that's exactly the strategy that I'll be showing you right here on this video. And the concept here is really simple. There are a lot of people that are looking to remove the background of certain photos. Say for some of these photos, they want to remove the background right here at the back and just want to keep the images of the model, and they don't know exactly how to do this. That's why they go on to peopleperhour.com and they hire different freelancers to do it for them. Say for example this one. They tried to remove the background of these photos from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. This is actually pretty simple and easy if you know the right tool to do it. And if you watch all the way until the end, I'll show you this free software that you can use, and you can simply draw lines on top of the photos. And they're going to automatically help you to remove all of the background. And every single time you do this, you can earn $6. And you don't need any graphic design skill. You don't need any technical skill. It's actually very simple. Just drawing a few lines and you can get it done in less than 30 seconds. And I'll show you a lot of examples, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do this. So make sure you keep watching all the way until the end. Now say for example if I click on this guy right here, and that's going to take me to this page where they're going to show me the service to help people to remove the background of the photo. And as you can see here, they're actually getting real customers, and people are leaving reviews right on top of their projects, which means they're actually making money right here on peopleperhour.com. And they can just earn over and over and over again by simply removing the background of the photo. And people are charging for different money right here on this website. Some of them are charging $10, $20, and even up to $70. Now if you are a complete beginner, when you go into the market, you have to charge your price slightly lower in order to get more customers. I just want you to think about this. From just one photo, you can earn $6. What if you can do 20 photos? And if you do 50 photos, that's going to be 300. And every single one of them, that's going to take you about 30 seconds or even less to do it. And that's actually one of the best ways to make money online right now. And in just a moment, I'll walk you through different examples and different softwares to do the simple background removal using a free software and a free tool. And on top of that, I'll give you another second bonus website where you can earn more extra income by simply removing photos' backgrounds. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So right now, let me show you the second bonus website. So basically, the name of the website here is Guru. You can go on to guru.com and you can simply search for background removal and you can find different freelancers. They are doing the exact same thing by offering the background removal services. So this is actually another bonus stream of income that you can build up on guru.com. And on top of that, you can also make money on peopleperhour.com. They're going to pay you actual cash right every single day. In order for us to remove the background, we'll need a free tool and a software to do it. And I want you to go on to clippingmagic.com. Now basically, they can magically remove the image background fully automatic. They use a very high-tech AI technology to do it for you, and it is absolutely free. No investment is needed. And basically, you can just drag your image right here on top or click on this to upload an image. And you can do it on your phone. You can do it on your computer, it doesn't even matter. And this software will automatically help you to remove the background from this right here and go on to this transparent background as you can see right here. So right now, all you got to do is just click on this button to upload the image. And you have to select the image that you have to upload. For example, if I click on this girl model and once finished loading, they're going to show up on this webpage as you can see here. And once again, you can do this on your phone. Don't worry about that. And basically, the first thing that you gotta do is to click on the green button. Green button meaning you have to draw lines on top of the images, on top of the part where we want to keep. Now, for example, if you want to keep on this girl model right here at the center, you just have to draw green lines on top of the image. For example, I just draw it like this as you can see here. I'll draw a simple line right here on top. So it's actually very easy to just cover up the entire photos on the part that we actually want to keep. Now once we finish drawing on the green lines, we'll just have to click on the red button and join the red lines on top of the background that we actually want to remove. As you can see here, I draw around the background and in less than 30 seconds, you can do it very quickly, for free and easily. And boom! That's it! From just one single photo like this, you can easily charge for $6. The original photos on the left will immediately go on and become transparent background as you can see here on the right section. That's the original photos, and that's the result of using Clipping Magic. Now once you're done with that, you can just click on the download button to download this on your phone or download this on your computer. And you can send it to your customers or your clients on peopleperhour or on guru.com. And I just want to show you how simple it is. And let's see another example. Once again, all we need to do is to just click on the green button and draw it around the coffee cup that we actually want to keep. Just draw it around on the entire image so that the AI technology know that this is actually what we want to keep. So right here, we are just free drawing around the entire image. And once again, once we are done with the green color, we can just click on the red line and draw it around at the background that we actually want to remove. As you can see here, I draw it on all of the corners just to remove all the background. As you can see here, it's actually very simple and very easy to do. And once again, you just click on the download button and save it on your phone or on your computer. And that's exactly how people from different countries in the world are making real money by simply removing background. But if you want something even better, you can see here. I'll show you another free software that you can use. It's actually much better compared to Clipping Magic because now you can go on to remove.bg, basically to help you to remove the image background 100% automatically and for free. And you can see here with just one click of a button that you can turn this original image into this transparent background image. As you can see here, they can even change the background of the photos with different scene at the back, and it's actually very simple to use with this free software. You can remove the background 100% automatically in 5 seconds with 0 clicks. So let me just show you how powerful this is. All you gotta do is just click on the upload image. And once again, we have to select the image that we want to remove. For example, this one, the coffee mug right here. And we'll just have to wait for a few seconds to finish the loading. And boom! As you can see here, we can successfully remove the background of the photo with literally just one click of a button by just clicking on the upload button. So basically on the second website, we don't even have to draw any lines on the photos and they'll help us to automatically remove the background, and you can just download this or even download on the high quality photos right here by clicking on this button and save it on your phone or on your computer. So this is actually another alternative website and software that you can use, and I highly recommend you to use it because it's actually much better compared to Clipping Magic. Because by using Clipping Magic, you actually have to draw different lines on the top of the images, just like what I showed you just now. But if you are using Remove.bg, you just have to upload the photos. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.